Welcome to Chihuahua, Mexico's largest state, where nature reigns in breathtaking grandeur. Prepare to witness a tapestry of landscapes, each one teeming with unique beauty and harboring secrets waiting to be uncovered. Get ready to explore its diverse ecosystems, encounter its fascinating inhabitants, and delve into the rich cultural heritage that thrives amidst this natural wonderland. Our journey begins in the heart of Chihuahua, at the Copper Canyon, a vast system of canyons deeper and more extensive than the Grand Canyon. Spanning over 25,000 square miles, this natural wonder is a marvel of geological history. Towering cliffs, painted in hues of orange, red and purple, rise from the canyon floor, creating a vibrant tapestry that changes with the light of the day. Their sheer walls, sculpted by millennia of erosion, tell a story of time and natural forces at work. Life clings to its steep slopes, a testament to nature's tenacity. From the smallest insect to the largest mammals, every creature has adapted to this rugged environment. Pine forests cling to the rim, while oaks and cacti find purchase lower down. This diverse vegetation supports a rich ecosystem, teeming with life. This dramatic landscape is also home to the Tarahumara people, known for their extraordinary long-distance running abilities. Their culture and traditions are deeply intertwined with the land. For the adventurous, the Copper Canyon offers unparalleled opportunities for exploration. Whether it's rock climbing, mountain biking, or simply soaking in the views, there's something for everyone. Hiking trails snake through the canyons, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Each path reveals a new facet of this incredible landscape. And for those who prefer a more leisurely pace, the Chepe train winds its way through the canyons, providing a unique vantage point to appreciate the scenery. Offering a comfortable and scenic way to experience the grandeur of this natural wonder, the train journey is a highlight for many visitors. The Copper Canyon truly is a testament to the beauty and power of nature. We venture now to the Sierra Madre Occidental, the spine of Chihuahua, a rugged mountain range that stretches for hundreds of miles. Here, towering peaks pierce the sky, their slopes cloaked in dense forests of pine, oak and fir. The Mexican gray wolf, once on the brink of extinction, roams these forests once more. The elusive jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, also finds sanctuary here. High above, golden eagles soar on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. Deep valleys, carved by rushing rivers, cut through the mountains, creating a tapestry of microclimates and ecosystems. Waterfalls cascade down sheer cliffs, their roar echoing through the canyons. These mountains are a reminder that wilderness still exists, a place where nature's rhythms continue undisturbed. Leaving the cool heights of the Sierra Madre, we descend into the Chihuahuan Desert, a vast expanse that stretches across northern Mexico and into the southwestern United States. Don't be fooled by its arid appearance, for the Chihuahuan Desert is teeming with life. Here, cacti stand as sentinels, their prickly exteriors hiding surprisingly delicate blooms. The desert floor is a miniature ecosystem in itself, home to an array of creatures that have mastered the art of survival. As dusk settles over the desert, the landscape transforms. The setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange, purple and pink, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The Chihuahuan Desert is a place of stark beauty, a reminder that life finds a way even in the most challenging environments. From the depths of its canyons to the heights of its mountains, Chihuahua teems with the diversity of wildlife. In the deserts, we encounter the masters of survival. The Gila monster, a venomous lizard with striking orange and black markings, moves with a slow, deliberate confidence. Rattlesnakes, coiled and ready to strike, warn intruders with their signature rattle. Coyotes, their mournful howls echoing through the night, are opportunistic hunters. Venturing into the mountains, we enter a different realm. Black bears, their fur shaggy against the cold, forage for berries and roots. Mountain lions, elusive and powerful, stalk their prey through the forests. The skies of Chihuahua are alive with the sound of birdsong. This rich tapestry of life is a testament to the health of Chihuahua's ecosystems. Deep in the heart of the Copper Canyon, we encounter the Raramuri, also known as the Tarahumara. This remote and rugged region is their home, a place where they have thrived for centuries. To their own people, they are simply Raramuri, which translates to running people. Their name reflects their incredible endurance and agility. The Raramuri are renowned for their extraordinary long-distance running abilities, often covering vast distances over rugged terrain in simple sandals made from tire treads. These sandals, known as huaraches, are a testament to their resourcefulness. Running is not just a sport for them, it's a way of life woven into their traditions and ceremonies. It is a spiritual practice that connects them to their ancestors and the natural world. Their deep connection to the land is evident in every aspect of their lives. They farm, gather plants, and interact with nature in a way that shows profound respect and understanding. Their knowledge of local plants and animals is encyclopedic, passed down through generations. This wisdom is crucial for their survival and well-being. They live in harmony with their environment, taking only what they need and giving back in return. This sustainable way of life ensures that their resources are preserved for future generations. Their homes, often simple dwellings carved into the canyon walls or built from natural materials, blend seamlessly with the landscape. These structures are designed to withstand the elements and provide shelter. Meeting the Raramuri is a privilege, a chance to witness a culture that has retained its ancient wisdom and traditions. Their way of life offers valuable lessons in resilience, community, and harmony with nature. Chihuahua's dramatic landscapes are a direct reflection of its diverse climate and distinct seasons. From the scorching deserts to the snow-capped mountains, this state experiences a range of weather patterns. In the lowlands, the Chihuahuan desert reigns supreme. Here, the sun beats down relentlessly, baking the earth and pushing temperatures to extremes. As we ascend into the Sierra Madre Occidental, the climate undergoes a dramatic transformation. The air cools, and the forests offer respite from the desert heat. Winter brings a different kind of beauty to the Sierra Madre. Snow blankets the peaks, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland. This climatic diversity is a testament to the power of nature to create a mosaic of life. Recognizing the importance of preserving its natural heritage, Chihuahua has designated several areas as protected parks and reserves. The Llanos Biosphere Reserve, located in the heart of the Chihuahuan Desert, is a prime example. This vast reserve protects a crucial portion of this globally significant desert, safeguarding its unique flora and fauna. In the mountains, the Cumbres de Mayalca National Park offers a different kind of sanctuary. This park protects a portion of the Sierra Madre Occidental, preserving its forests, canyons, and the wildlife that call them home. Hiking trails wind through the park, offering breathtaking views and opportunities to spot wildlife. Camping is permitted within the park, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the tranquility of the forest. These protected areas are a testament to Chihuahua's commitment to conservation. For those seeking adventure and a chance to connect with nature in its rawest form, Chihuahua offers a playground of possibilities. Hiking is perhaps the best way to experience the diversity of Chihuahua's landscapes. Trails snake through the Copper Canyon, offering breathtaking views and challenging climbs. In the Sierra Madre Occidental, trails wind through pine forests, leading to hidden waterfalls and panoramic vistas. For the truly adventurous, canyoning offers a unique and exhilarating way to explore the vertical world. Descend into the depths of canyons, rappelling down waterfalls, and swimming through crystal-clear pools. Whitewater rafting is another popular pursuit in Chihuahua. The state's rivers, fed by snowmelt from the Sierra Madre, offer a range of rapids to challenge paddlers of all skill levels. Rock climbing enthusiasts will find plenty to keep them entertained in Chihuahua. No exploration of Chihuahua would be complete without savoring the flavors of its unique cuisine. The region's culinary traditions are deeply intertwined with its history and geography, offering a taste of its rich cultural heritage. One of the most iconic dishes is chile con carne, a hearty stew that embodies the spirit of Chihuahua. This dish is a staple at family gatherings and local festivals, bringing people together over its robust flavors. Tender chunks of beef, slow cooked to perfection, are simmered in a rich, flavorful sauce made with dried chilies, tomatoes, onions, and a blend of spices. The slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a dish that's both comforting and complex. Another staple is baleadas, a street food favorite that originated in northern Mexico. These delicious treats are a testament to the region's love for simple, yet satisfying food. Thick, handmade flour tortillas are grilled to perfection, then filled with a variety of savory ingredients. Common fillings include refried beans, cheese, and meats, making each bite a delightful experience. For meat lovers, carne asada is a must-try. This dish is a celebration of the region's ranching heritage and its love for bold, smoky flavors. Thinly sliced beef, marinated in a blend of citrus juices, garlic, and spices, is grilled over an open flame. The result is a tender, juicy meat with a slightly charred exterior that is simply irresistible. The state is also known for its sweets, many of which incorporate local ingredients like pecans, piloncillo, and cajeta. These traditional desserts offer a sweet conclusion to any meal, showcasing the region's agricultural bounty. From its hearty stews to its street food favorites, Chihuahua's cuisine is a reflection of its history, its culture, and its deep connection to the land. Each dish tells a story, inviting you to experience the flavors and traditions that make this region so special. As our journey through Chihuahua comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired by the raw beauty, cultural richness, and adventurous spirit of this remarkable state. From the depths of the Copper Canyon to the heights of the Sierra Madre Occidental, Chihuahua offers a tapestry of experiences that will stay with you long after you've left. Whether you seek adventure among its canyons and mountains, cultural immersion in its indigenous communities, or simply a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with nature, Chihuahua has something to offer everyone, so why wait? Start planning your own Chihuahua adventure today. Discover the wonders that await in this hidden gem of Mexico and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible travel content.